These are the years I have been getting from movies and pickups through the years of Amazon and Amazon Prime. And then I got music from one of my trips to see my brothers. I also these as well. I'm cleaning my linen closet and I don't know where should I keep these or what should I do with them. I got this from I don't remember, but I don't know if I want to get rid of it or what. This is from, let's see. Here we go. C and J's Underground Music and More. That's when I got my first Spree movie in Blu-ray. The rest is the others from my dad that I have done with his COVID years back. So tell me in the comments down below. Tell me what you think. What should I do with these? I have more coming. And I'll show you all my titles. You probably know what my titles look like. Some of them I got in a light bag as these. And then Prime right here. And then I got one of these things. It's called a recycle bag. So I don't know what to do with these. And I'll be getting these as well. To show my fan mail. So what should I do with these? Should I trash them, recycle them, or what? So just tell me in the comments and tell me what you all think. This is what I got from my fan mail from Aaron K. Carter. Hopefully I will watch this. I'll put that in my numbers of movies. You know about my Pennywise. I hope I get that movie. Here's the fan mail part. See, that's the movie, and that's the hat. And here's the then I got from Aaron. See guys, this is what I mean about the fan mail. See? Letter, movie, comes in this envelope. So tell me in the comments. Tell me what you think. This is what it means by fan mail. And then y'all tell me what should I do with this mess right here on my bed. and maybe I'll show off my other titles. You know what I got in the new section of titles, but that's going to be later on. So right now, probably get my bath and relax tonight. So remember, keep on subscribing. Thank you, and give it a like. Comments down below as well. And I'll see y'all maybe a few hours or tomorrow. You can see all my new and latest recently titles and how much I got in a collection, and more is coming, I hope, for my subscribers. And I'll check in back y'all later. Have a good one, everybody.